It's very good to be here, Chuck. It's nice to see you. Oh, hello, Kellyanne. I'm glad you're here. What are you depressed about? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm Chuck Todd. And if it's Sunday, it's Meet Depressed. Today we're going to talk about people that are depressed because of the political climate in the Washington, D.C. And we're going to have Dr. Victor Von Moody, who's going to analyze this depression, and we're going to be interviewing Kellyanne Conway, counselor to President Trump and the White House. Here with Dr. Victor Von Moody. Dr. Von Moody, I thank you for coming to help us out and analyzing the depressed people here in Washington. Well, I'm very glad to be here, and I'm going to analyze why people are depressed. I see Kellyanne Conway is here. She's very happy to be here because I think she likes you. Let's get Kellyanne on. So Kellyanne will be coming out. I'll be glad to evaluate her. Well, thank you, Dr. Von Moody. It's very good to be here, Chuck. It's nice to see you. Oh, hello, Kellyanne. I'm glad you're here. What are you depressed about? Well, I'm depressed about the Mexican immigrant's family. I am kind of depressed that they're separating the kids from the adults. I understand that, Kellyanne, and it's good to know that you're depressed about it, but what are you going to do about it? Well, not very much, but I'm glad to be here with you because, you know, I like you. Well, thank you very much, Kellyanne, but we're going to bring Dr. Victor Von Moody on to help analyze why you're depressed. So, Kellyanne, I'm Dr. Victor Von Moody. I'm just glad that you're here. So tell me why I'm depressed. Well, you're depressed because you're not seeing Chuck Todd. Well, that's probably true. And because you have no control over what President Trump does. And that is true, but I'm on his side. Well, you should be. You must overcome that, Kellyanne. You must overcome that. I will. Where's Chuck? I'll bring him back. Well, hi, Chuck. I'm glad you're back. I missed you. Well, Kellyanne, did Dr. Von Moody help you understand why you're depressed? Well, sort of. But I really know why. I want to be with you. Well, I'm married, Kellyanne. And so am I. What does that mean? You should be depressed about that. Well, I am. Well, that's our show for Meet Depressed. Please come back next week, same time, Sunday morning at 10:30. You can see people talking about why they're depressed and how you can get it fixed. If you like this Puppet vlog, please subscribe. The subscribe button is on the right side where my head is pointing.